giving all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakah, Kodesh. Double honors to the apostles, to the elders at Great Millstone. Honors and salutations be to the hopeful elect that are out there doing the work in truth and in sincerity. Shalom to you all. It's your brother Palau back again with another lesson through the spirit and power of Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. And I just want to play this video. And before I play the video, fair use. I don't own the rights to this video. I'm not making any monetary funds off this video. This is strictly for educational purposes only. So I want to play this video. I want to hear the scripture.
If we have another 3 or 4 years, you know, we're at 18 trillion now. We're soon going to be at 20
This was back in 2016.
trillion. According to the economists, who I'm not big believers in, but nevertheless, this is what they're saying, that 24 trillion, we're very close. That's the point of no return. $24 trillion. We will be there soon. That's when we become Greece. That's when we become a country that's unsalvageable. And we're going to be there very soon. Not big believers in, but nevertheless, this is what they're saying. That 24 trillion, we're very close. That's the point of no return. $24 trillion. We will be there soon. That's when we become Greece. That's when we become a country that's unsalvageable. If we have another 3 or 4 years, you know what?
So you heard the moron, the terrible businessman that he is. Failed damn near every business he's ever had. You know, that's why this guy is so in debt to the small hats, because they kept bailing him out. You know, excuse me. They kept bailing this guy out, and pretty sure they told him, you're gonna have to pay that favor back one day. And this is the favor. You know? It's just like the movie Belly, when Lennox told Tommy, the character DMX played, if I do this for you, you owe me a favor. And then the time came that Tommy had to own up on that favor, and that favor was to take out one of the top shutters on the island. So this guy Nero, man, look at the national debt today, 40 trillion. You heard what he said. 20 trillion, they're at the point of no return. But here they are at $40 trillion. All right, and a lot of this debt accumulated over his rule. Okay, a lot of this debt accumulated because of him. Okay, and that was back in 2016. So let's go here. This is the book of Habakkuk 2 verse 5. I'm going to start at verse 5. The point is in 6. Yea, because yea also, oh, let me close this up. Okay, slacking. Yea, also because he transgressed by wine, which is his philosophies, his ways. Okay? All the nations are drunk through his philosophies. You know? Women can have rule over men. Homosexuals can have rights. You know, all that wickedness that he's spreading. His Christianity that he's spreading throughout the earth, through the other nations. He's transgressing, and he's causing them to transgress. So it says, yea, he also because he transgresseth by wine. Neither, he's a proud man. Come on, man. Do I got to break that down? Neither keepeth at home. So neither keepeth at home. That's why he has his military set up all across the world. Okay? And you see, this is the same. That's why we tell you that this is nothing but the Roman Empire all over again. Okay? This is just a repeat of the Roman Empire. And Nero burned down Rome. And here he is burning it down again in another life. You see? Nero burned down Rome. And he's burning it down once again. And the crazy part is there was an omen. When he got back into office again, California was literally on fire. That was around the time of that big fire in California, which was set up, by the way. Okay? So it says, neither keepeth at home, who enlarging his desire as hell, and is as death, and cannot be satisfied. Alright? He enlarges his desire as hell, and is as death. That's why everywhere this man goes, he brings nothing but death and bloodshed. This is the man that took peace from the earth. And this all stead back to the small hats, man, because they're really in charge of this country. And they're just like Netanyahu said, they're gonna milk America like a cow. This man flat out said that. This shows how pathetic and stupid the American people are, man. You want to be mad, oh, you niggers, you goddamn niggers. You want to get mad at us while the small hats is robbing you blind. You ain't got no rights. They took it. They even took your country. But we're the fucking issue, you dumbass Joe Six-Pack dumb fucking crackers, man. You are the dumbest people on the face of the earth, you American Edomites. You are the dumbest people on earth, man. And that's why Trump, that's why he said he likes, the uneducated people. Because it's easy to pull a fast one on you, man. Make America great again. He got y'all good. He got y'all good, man. All right, so let's land this plane here. It says, and cannot be satisfied, but gathereth unto him all nations, and heapeth unto him all people. And this is why Babylon the Great, aka America, is called the Great Melting Pot. And if you don't know what the Great Melting Pot means, look it up. All nations are in this country. All right, this country is a mixture. You ever watch the Olympics? This country is a mixture. All right? And anytime you watch the Olympics, the athletes that are standing out for America are Jakes or our people. Even in our down state, in our hellified state, we're still greater than you devils, man, in your kingdom. That shows you that we are the special people. All right? It says, shall not all these take up a parable against him, and a taunting proverb against him, and say, woe unto him that increaseth that which is not his. This man, he captures lands. Look what they're doing in Palestine, which I'm not, hey man, to hell with the Palestinians. I'm just bringing it out, to make a point. Look what they're doing in Argentina. They're burning down parts of Argentina and claiming the land. Okay? It says that increases which is not his. How long? How long, Lord? How long you gonna let these fucking devils continue to do this shit, man? How long you gonna let these devils continue to rule? All they do is fucking wickedness, man. The earth is in agony because of this man. Because of his greed, his pride. Yo, man. Hey, this morning, I thought in my bed, in my prayers, man. I see why this man has to go. I see why he just gotta be fucking eradicated. I see it. I see why, man. This man gotta be terminated. All right? It says, and to him that ladeth himself with thick clay. And that goes right back to this debt clock. This is a thick clay. Ibadya, meaning debt. All right? And a lot of these nations soon, they're going to be collecting on that debt. They're going to be selling all those treasury bonds. I believe they say Japan is on the verge of doing that. And so is China, which own a great percentage of U.S. treasury bonds. Okay? So him that ladeth himself with thick clay, thick debt. Look, and it's a spirit because, look, as I'm speaking, the debt is rising. Look at that. Debt per citizen. That's how much each and every United States citizen owes. As soon as you're born. 40 trillion fucking dollars, man. This is why years ago they lost their AAA credit rating. Nobody wants to fuck with the US dollar, man. It's poison. Even JD Vance, that retard, that spineless asshole, said they want to move away from the United States dollar being the world currency. This man is doomed, man. He is fucking doomed. And we've been telling you, we've been warning you goddamn people, man. We've been warning you fucking people. All right? That's why I should speak about you. Go to now, you rich men. Your gold and silver is cankered. Your money don't mean jack. Your money don't mean a damn thing, nigga. Oh, what a day. Esau, we gonna mock you in the kingdom, man. You think Jake got jokes now? You think Jake got jokes now? We gonna mock you. Oh, you're gonna be humiliated, man. We gonna catch the nations laughing at you and smack them up too. What you laughing at, nigga? Shut up. Hey, man, all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai B'Shem Rakakadash. Double honors to our apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the hopeful elect. We almost out of here, man.